Welcome to Data in Nutshell. Here is what you will be able to do after watching this video. Copy the label from your Gmail account like this and go to the web application. Enter the label here, then copy the Google Sheet URL from where you want your emails to be exported to. Paste it here and then just click export and you will see the data will start populating. If you want to know more, keep watching. This tool will be helpful for those who are still trying to figure out how to summarize feedback emails in their inboxes, or those who are interested in extracting invoice details from emails and tracking their payments. So let's see how to deploy the tool now. Once you get the view access of this sheet, click on File, then click on Make a Copy and click on Paid Tools here. And with this, click on all locations and click on My Drive and then select. So this copy will be created in your drive, okay, by default. And click on Make a Copy now. Once you have your copy opened, close the original sheet. Then click on Extensions, click on App Script. Now go to right top and click on Deploy. Then select New Development. Now enter name of your choice. I will just write one. Click on Me. That means it will be accessing your Gmail address. Then only myself and click on Deploy. Now click on Authorize Access. Click on your email address here. Click on Advanced. Then click on Go to Code Gmail Email Exporter and Save. Once you click it, scroll down and click on Allow. Now you will see the web app URL has been generated. Just copy that URL and paste it in the browser like this and enter. Now you can close this tab. Okay, so now your web app has been launched. This script will try to fetch your Gmail emails under some particular labels, and that label can be mentioned in this particular box. For example, let me open my Gmail account. And I have here labels with me. I'll just go and copy the text of the label. And I'll just paste it here. Now I'll copy the URL of the sheet and then paste it here. And after that, click on Export Emails. It will go in the label and try to fetch all the details here. So as of now, we only have one email here, right? And if I go and check in my label, you can see that I only have one email, and it will try to fetch all the threads, the text, everything into column D. I hope you will like the tool. Let me know your feedbacks in the comment section. Thanks a lot.